Okay, so let's discuss XRP and what's happening with it. Uh, Actually, XRP, not a lot has changed for XRP since I drew this ascending parallel channel. It was somewhere around July 20th or 21. Uh, but before we do that, if you like the content that we put out every Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Fridays, you can follow the FXStreet YouTube channel. Make sure to hit the subscribe button. And if you like what I do and my co-host Jonathan, you can follow us on Twitter. You can follow me at Mangeko with a zero in the end. You can follow Jonathan at Just Analysis 1 on Twitter. Right. So getting back to XRP, do you want to take a look at XRP from a higher time frame perspective, Jonathan?
Sure. All right, so looking at the daily chart for Ripple XRP, it's been hovering. Man, it is a there are very few cryptocurrencies that I look at right now have this odd, just hugging the Senko span B, and where it's really near this total breakdown, but it's just failing to capitalize on any further downside pressure. And likewise, the support is failing to entice any bulls to come in. So it's just a really tight, constricted zone here. The only thing that makes me a little, I've shifted the RSI into bear market conditions, and when you look at the composite index, there's a divergence here that's developing on the daily that could be pretty dangerous for bulls. That's hidden bearish divergence where you got these higher highs, higher peaks on the composite index, but these lower ones on the price chart. From a point and figure perspective, looking at the 2-cent 3-box reversal chart, there is I think this represents what's happening inside the cloud very well too, because there's a condition for a triple bottom to form with a very deep drop down towards, I guess it's not very deep, but it's a drop down towards that 70-cent level. Otherwise, the upside potential here is going to be limited to the 110 to 112 zone where the downtrend angle is at. And that's what I see on Ripple.
Okay. I think it's kind of similar to what I was discussing a few days ago before the things actually started pumping, right? So for me, it's quite simple. My theory is that as long as Bitcoin continues to rally and consolidate without crashing like extremely volatile, I think altcoins are gonna keep rallying, right? But lately, what I've been seeing is like Ripple is not showing strength as compared to other altcoins. Like you can look at Aave, AVAX, Omisco actually rallied 50% in the last 3 days. But Ripple, XRP seems kind of dead, right? And like I mentioned, there are two resistance levels I was watching, 0.964 and 1.01. I think a close above this would be like the first step, but it doesn't completely put it into the safe zone, right? Because of this cluster of consolidation that took place over here, right? So even 1.01, 1.09 or 1.1 is something I'm looking forward to. Once we close above that, I think 1.26 seems attainable, but anything above that, I think is still unlikely, right? And Jonathan, like you mentioned, right? I think the hidden bearish divergence, right? I think that could lead to this flag, the bearish pennant, right? Seems likely if that's the case.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, as you can see here, it's coming up pretty good right now. So that'll be an interesting thing to watch. Let me just, right, so this pennant formation, actually, I don't think it's a pennant. Yeah, either way, like it's symmetrical triangle, it could head either way. So that is something to watch out for, the hidden bearish divergence that Jonathan just mentioned, right? But yeah, that's it from me for XRP. Nothing interesting happening. No show of strength from XRP bulls. I think it's just time to wait and see how it develops.